Here's this old General Electric microwave my mom's getting rid of. See that? It's old. We've got covers up in the top. It's dust, dirty anyway. No wonder she's getting rid of it. Look how bad it is. Lights in there. Yep. See? I don't remember the model. Something like that. Vent, don't have the vent on the side. Come on, it says the vent's on the bottom. And I turn it over here. Here's the back of it. There's a vent on the back. Well, the hot air comes out of the Philip before cooking stuff. Just you can't see the fan because you pull the fan, you only see the bottom. There, that's a fan. Same fan pointing this way, fan points this way inside of the unit. Yep, this is an old guy. It's an old General Electric microwave from 1994. I love this guy. I won't miss it. Even though it's old, not working properly, I still miss it. That's why the reason why I'm going. How famous this was. Keep top in screw. Oh. Keep top ground screw. Oh, okay. It ain't tight enough. What the heck? It ain't tight enough. Oh, there's a fan. So what's in there? I see a transformer in there.